Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. Today I want to bring you up to date on several important actions taken yesterday by the County Legislature in relation to the COVID-19 response here in Oswego County. The legislature held a virtual special meeting and allocated $500,000 from the county's fund balance to help pay for expenses already incurred as we work to get critical supplies needed to the front lines of our healthcare system. This action allows the county to accept funding from additional sources to help in the fight against COVID-19. The legislature also accepted more than $137,000 in grants and emergency funding from Health Research Incorporated to support coronavirus response activities. The funds will be used to support the public health COVID-19 response. Last but not least, I'm happy to announce that the legislature has appointed Kathy Palmatesso as the new Director of Emergency Management. Kathy brings considerable knowledge and experience in the emergency management field. She previously worked at the James A. Fitzpatrick Nuclear Power Plant before being appointed as radiological specialist in the County Emergency Management Office. Happy to report that Kathy hit the ground running this morning and will lead the county's COVID-19 emergency response activities among local agencies through the County Emergency Operations Center in Fulton. Now I will ask Diane Oldenburg, Senior Public Health Educator for the County Health Department, for an update on today's numbers.
Thank you. As of today, we've had 475 county residents tested or are scheduled to be tested. We've had 23 positive test results come back. We've had 338 negative test results returned, and we're waiting for 108 test results to come back in. We're happy to report that we have 2 residents that are recovered at this time. We are following 118 residents in precautionary quarantine and 78 residents in mandatory isolation or quarantine. Thank you.
Thank you, Diane. I also want to tell you today about the Health Department's new COVID-19 daily dashboard. There is a link on the Health Department's website that provides additional information about the COVID-19 pandemic. It is a complimentary resource that contains maps, charts, graphics, and other information about COVID-19 in Oswego County. Behind me is an example of the map that shows where we have positive cases in blue and where there either have been testing or someone has been in precautionary or mandatory quarantine in yellow. Real-time data from Johns Hopkins University is built into this website. It also features a map indicating the status of public facilities in the county. The platform was developed by the County Department of Community Development, Tourism, and Planning. ESRI, the GIS company that offered the template, identified our site last week to a nationwide audience as a good example of local government initiative responding to the COVID-19 crisis. The program is linked to the County Health Department's COVID-19 page at health.oswegocounty.com/COVID-19. In closing, I ask you to please continue to practice social distancing and monitor reliable sources of information. Only go out if you absolutely need to and avoid non-essential gatherings of any size. Coronavirus is in our communities and will continue to spread if each of us doesn't do our respective parts to prevent it. Go to health.oswegocounty.com/COVID-19 for the latest news releases, daily updates, and video presentations, or visit oswegocounty.com. The Health Department's COVID-19 hotline is 315-349-3330. Thank you again for your cooperation. We are all in this together.